Please give a warm welcome to Jeff Tobe.
Jeff Tobe.
Jeff Tobe!
So where is he? Where is that speaker? I'm sitting back here thinking to myself, you guys are all trained, aren't you? You came in this morning and you sat according to where you think the speaker's going to speak from. As a matter of fact, I don't want to pick on anybody, but somebody back in this area said, if he's not any good, we could always sneak out. He'll never notice. So
when I ask you a question, would you answer with the word absolutely?
Every time you say absolutely, I want you to throw up your left hand with a fist like you mean it. Come on, 1, 2, 3. I want to talk to you about coloring outside the lines, about getting outside your comfort zone and looking at what you do in this profession differently than you have before. There's a warning that comes with coloring outside the lines, and that is it's okay to color outside the lines as long as you don't fall off the page.
I want you to try something. Drive home only looking in your rearview mirrors. You couldn't do it. So many people get into the proverbial cars every single day. Your workplace, your cubicle, the plant, the factory, it doesn't matter where you do what you do, but we approach what we're doing only looking in our rearview mirrors to see how it's always been done before.
Customer service is what you do from the heart. How can I help you? What can I do for you? Customer experience is when you can step back and say, what is the tastefully simple experience from the minute somebody makes contact with us till the minute they're done? That involves your whole team. And now what happens with the team is they start to get more engaged.
When you make the leap to customer experience thinking,
we get loyal, engaged customers. That's huge for what you do.
33% of Americans are engaged at what they do every day. 67% of Americans go to work to get their check. We are one of the lowest in the world for engagement, but it's an opportunity waiting to happen. We got to figure out, how do we engage you? The more engaged people are internally, the better the experience externally.
engagement starts at a grassroots level. I had the opportunity to work with Shatto Milk Company.
One of the drivers, when I tell people where I work, I get a bit of a giggle. I was wondering if we could use that somewhere in the company.
On the back of every Shatto Milk Company truck, it now says this: in case of accident, please have cookies ready. Lots and lots and lots of cookies.
The driver who suggested it, what do you think he's saying to everybody he knows? That's my idea. And it's on the back of every truck. Do you think he's satisfied at work, or do you think he's engaged?
He's engaged.
Coloring outside the lines is scary business. It is forcing ourselves outside our comfort zone. Are you willing, is the question.
It's been my privilege. Thank you so much, everyone.